Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel My Project Ideas. In this video, we'll be discussing a Python-based application to create an image viewer app. So guys, you have many of the images in your system, right? So you need an image viewer app. So this particular power of Python programming language allows us to land you an image view app after execution of this particular program. So as far as requirements of building this application is concerned, it requires Python programming language and a Visual Studio Code editor in which Python can be installed and run. Just make sure, guys, you have all the libraries installed in your system. If not, you can directly install by hitting this particular command on your command prompt or on your terminal. Pip install the module you need to install. The pip install module name. You can directly do like this: pip install the module name, right? So it could be very easy to just run this particular command and all the files will be executed and it will be on your system locally. So with that being said, let's get started and have a look on this code of this particular application. So guys, initially we have imported all the necessary libraries that are needed to build this application, that is Tinker to create a GUI, a basic graphical user interface, a Python image library to import the image from your system, and a turtle library to create the buttons of moving forwarding the image and move back the images. So we have created a widget of root equals to tk. We have set the title as image viewer with the pixel size of this. Adding the images using the pillow module, which has a class image tk, we can directly add the photos in the Tinker folder, or we have to give a proper path for the images. So basically, I have stored 4 images in this system, and I have asked my Python to open the images, all these 4 images. Just make sure, guys, that you store the image in the same directory in which you are making this particular program, so that you can easily sync the Python image library with your system. So yeah, we have opened this images. These 4 images will be opened. A list of images so that we traverse the list. So we have the list of images that traverse the list. For example, if you have, whenever you make any image viewer app, you have the option to move forward or move backward, right? So you will provide the options of moving forward and moving backward. So yeah, I have added each and every comment above the code applet so that it can be easily understandable that what below the code applet is executing. For example, we have to show the box, so this is the command line is needed. We'll have 3 buttons: button of forward, backward, and exit. The root.quit button, exit the graphical user interface environment, and we have then set it the user interfaces with its sizes with each and every dimensions. That what are the dimensions. So as the moment I will hit the run button, it will this particular Python program will get executed, and you will just see our image viewer app popping up. So yeah, I'm running this particular application. It's some sort of error is coming. Yeah, let me run through this terminal. Python flame.py. So yeah, as you can see that this particular image has been loaded. The moment we set forward, it's the next image. So this is basically an entire, we'll exit it. So this is an entire Python application that helps us to create an image viewer app in Python. I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel My Project Ideas in order to get some more interesting stuff in different technical domains. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you for your time. Till then, keep growing and keep exploring.